Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. Okay, so tingnan natin ano bang meron, okay, pagdating sa'yo. All signs. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga protection from evil eye, okay, yung ring, yung ating necklace, yung ating bracelet, ayan, okay, and yung love bracelet nga, and yung ating granter, and sa cord cutting, yan. Kung may mga tanong kayo pagdating dyan, message na lang po. Okay, and syempre, if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message na lang po kayo ha, sa kanya pong FB page. Okay, and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po. Okay, so yeah, magme-message. Okay, so may kanya-kanya naman po kaming FB pages, so doon na lang po kayo kumontak. Okay, so mag-message, I mean. Okay, so let's start with air signs. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Tagal din tayo hindi na ganito, no? Yeah, gusto ko kasi yung parang hindi araw-araw, sa totoo lang. Yes, para mabago ng kauntian, no? Yung energy. Anyway, kung consistent naman yung energy nyo, no? Okay, air signs. Ano bang kailangan mong malaman? Air signs. Okay. The Hierophant. What's with that? The Moon. The Queen of Swords. Okay. So, may nakikita ko ditong this is for air signs na may legal issues. Okay. Sinasabi rito kasi kung sino man itong parang kailangang umaksyon, gumawa, magbigay sa'yo, something like that. Andun yung andun yung parang pag-iwas. Okay, yeah, see, the Tower. Andun yung parang pag-iwas niya. Kung sino man yung may commitment sa'yo, may iwas sila. Some of them, may mga tinatago. And I think this is unexpected. Something unexpected. Okay? Pwedeng hindi mo na ito masyadong papansinin if ever. Some of you. Okay, some of you. If you're in a relationship or commitment sa ngayon, somebody is, I think, confused sa nararamdaman niya, and nandun yung energy na pwedeng may mag-walk away dito. Okay, somebody, pwedeng water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yeah. Okay. Some of you, there's this unexpected changes na pwedeng mangyari around the workplace. Okay? Around the workplace. Okay. So, what else for air signs? The Knight of Pentacles in reversed. What's that? The Judgment. Okay. Some of you, parang lubos-lubos ang paggastos, ha? Okay. Parang lubos-lubos. Or pwedeng darating sa puntong madami kang gagastusin. Okay. And I'm seeing here na deserve mo. No? Deserve mo yung mga binibili mo, mga kinukuha, or something like mga ginugusto at binibili. Mga ganyan. Hindi ko to nakikita na masama, ha? Yung paggastos na pwedeng mangyari in the near future maybe, or some of you, ikaw na itong parang gumagastos ka na ngayon. Okay? Ang nakikita ko kasi parang, yeah, deserve ko to. Parang ganyan eh. Okay? Darating at darating yung time ng iba sa inyo na hindi mo na para problemahin yung pera. Okay? Sabihin nating imposible or whatsoever. Sabihin nating gagaan. Okay, gagaan yung daloy ng pera papunta sa'yo. Lalo na kung nilalagyan mo ng effort kung anong mga ginagawa mo sa ngayon. Okay? Lalo na kung mayroon ka pinagsisikapan sa ngayon. Yeah. Okay? So, maraming maiinggit, I think, na 6 of Cups kanina nakita ko in reverse. May mga mabibiter. Okay? May mga magsasabi at magsasabi ng kung anong dapat mong gawin pagdating sa kaperahan mo or something like kung paano mo gagastusin, like pakikialam. Okay? Andyan rin yung parang pangungonsensya ng ibang tao. Bakit ka nagastos ng ganyan? Dapat unahin mo yung ganito, ganyan. Don't. Okay? Hindi masamang gumastos pagdating sa sarili. Alam nyo yan. Lalo na kung hindi naman palagi, no? Okay? Nandun yung limit. Anyway, pera mo yan. Okay? So, gawin mo kung anong gusto mo. Okay? Yun. Pero sinasabi lang talaga dito na hindi mo na para problemahin yung ibang bills, gastusin, okay? So, what else? Air signs. 3 of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm seeing here talaga ng progress pagdating sa workplace. Okay? Workplace man or finances in general. Okay? May paglago, may pag-improve. There's progress here pagdating sa kaperahan mo. Okay? I'm seeing here meetings. Knight of Wands Universe. Okay. So, some of you in the workplace. Okay. There's this someone who is into you. May gusto sa'yo. Parang ganyan. What's with this person? What's with them? The Knight of Wands Universe. Strength. I don't know kung uma-action tong taong to. Then the 8 of Swords. I think this person is giving you confusion right now. I think, or will give you confusion. Okay? Kasi some of them, you have doubts pagdating sa kanya. Yung iba sa kanila po, alam mong sabihin natin may pagka-player, okay, sa workplace. So, some of you, kung ikaw alam mo yung person na lumalapit sa iyo ngayon, strength is here, may lumalapit, may gumagawa, may umaaksyon, at alam mong in a relationship na hanggat maaari iwasan mo. Okay, hanggat maaari iwasan mo muna. Okay, alam mo naman kung anong mga dapat gawin. Yeah. Ayaw mo naman mapunta siguro, no? Sa third party situation. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang akin nakikita pagdating sa inyo, mga air sign. Okay. So, next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Ano ang message for you? Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, the Sun in reversed. What's with this? The Page of Cups. Somebody is shy. Someone is shy? Okay. Meron ditong parang nalulungkot at hindi ka nakikita. Fire sign. The King of Cups is here. Some of you, this person, may crush sa'yo, may gusto sa'yo, nahihiya ito whenever nakikita ka niya, nagkakasama kayo. Some of them, they're younger. Okay, they're younger. Yeah, Judgment in reverse, hindi niya alam kung paano gagawa ng action towards you. Why the Sun in reverse? Hindi niya pinapahalata to. And the King of Wands in reverse. Hindi niya alam kung paano mag-approach, something like that. Mga pababae, mga palalaki, they have something, they have emotions, they like you. Okay, they like you. This person likes you, pero yeah. Some of them, pwedeng takot lang din na ma-reject. Okay, may ganong energy yung person. Okay? What else? Two of Wands in reversed. The World. Yung iba sa inyo may pupuntahan. Medyo may kalayuan. Some of you, this is talking about travel. Okay? Decision na pwedeng gagawin like plans. Okay? Planning to travel. Plans pagdating sa travel. Yan ang nakikita ko rito. Some of you pwedeng sabihin natin kung may plano ka na sa ngayon. Pagdating dyan, huwag nyo muna pagsasabi. Okay? Huwag mo muna pagsasabi. I don't know why. What's this Two of Wands in reversed. What's with this Two of Wands in reversed? The Nine of Swords. Somebody is afraid to take a leap of faith. Like, somebody. Meron dito ako nakikita po, opportunity na pwedeng first time lang mangyayari sa buhay nyo. And I think, sabihin natin a-actionan or sabihin natin i-grab ninyo. Okay? Pero nandun yung takot, nandun yung kaba. Yeah. Meron dito, ito some of you, ikaw itong takot mag-travel mag-isa, lalo malayo. Okay? Pwedeng sa'yo yung energy na yun. Okay? Somebody's thinking of you. Pwedeng tinalikuran mo to. Malayo. Malayo na tong taong to sa'yo or pwedeng may distansya nangyari. Okay? Kung ikaw, fire sign, meron kang decision na ginawa na alisan or alisin ng isang sitwasyon or isang tao sa buhay mo, I think tama naman yung ginawa mo. Okay? Tama yung ginawa mo. Huwag ka na lang magkakaroon ng doubt sa ginawa mong decision, if ever. Okay? You're in the right direction. Okay. So, what else? Fire signs. For fire signs, the Page of Wands. Yeah. Opportunity. What's with this? Page of Wands. Some of you, there's this plan na magtayo, magbukas ng isang business, like small business if ever. Okay. What's with this Page of Wands? The Seven of Cups. A lot of planning in the near future. Okay. Some of you, kung hindi mo kaya na ikaw ay mag-isa lang sa planong yan, mas maganda kumuha ka ng opinion from other people or ikaw itong pwedeng, iba sa inyo nakakita ko na pwedeng may mga gagawin and I think may mga kasama ka like partnership, pwedeng friends mo, something like that. Okay? Ano tong Seven of Cups? The Six of Cups. Yeah. Together sa kung sino man no na pwedeng malapit sa'yo. Okay? Somebody misses you. Somebody is missing you. Water sign, a fire sign like you. Okay? Younger person. Who's this Page of Wands? Yeah, the Three of Wands. At ang taong to naghihintay lang. Okay, some of you, there's an energy na pwedeng naghihintay sa kung anong ipapakita mo sa kanya. They're into you, I think. Or sabihin natin ang tingin niya sa'yo or sabihin natin ikaw. Pwedeng vice versa yung energy. Ang tingin kasi is like nandun yung parang potential. Tingin mo sa situation maybe or sa isang tao may potential. Okay? Yari, Page of Swords. Meron dito nag-i-start na mag-message like back and forth messages. And I think nakikita ko dito pwedeng magtagal to magkakilanlan kayo ng mabuti, some of you. Okay? Pero if this is talking about planning pagdating sa pagbubukas ng business, ang sinasabi rito is dun muna ikaw, no, sa alam mong sabihin natin kaya mong magtiwala. Okay? Dun sa makaka-partner mo pagdating sa business. Lalo na kung ikaw tong first timer na magbubukas ng business or kung ano man. Okay? So, yun ang akin nakikita. Okay, some of you, nakakita ko rito ng energy pahabol. May nakita akong energy dito, fire signs, na merong ang tawag dyan, meron mag-i-invite sa'yo. Okay, and I think may kasamang travel. Yung iba sa inyo, this is energy na pwedeng sa ibang bansa. I-invite ka, pupunta ka dun. Okay, that is prediction for some of you. Kung gusto mo yung energy na yun, claim it. Okay? So, there. Next. Water signs. Okay, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Anong meron for you, water signs? Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Page of Wands in reversed. Who is this person? Okay. Some of you, there's this person wanting na makuha yung attention mo. Okay? Page of Wands in reversed. The Queen of Swords. Oh, they're afraid. They're afraid. Some of you, may mga taong gustong i-trigger ka. Okay? Gustong galitin ka. Like that. Okay? Let's see this Page of Wands in reversed. Something will get your will catch your attention. Catch your attention maybe. Na pwedeng matrigger yung emosyon mo, magalit ka, parang ganyan. The Nine of Cups in reversed. Yung nakikita ko rito, energy is like nakakainis kasi papansin ng papansin. Meron ditong ganun. Yeah, the Lovers in reverse. Some of you, this is your ex. Ayaw mo na siyang makikita, ayaw mo na siyang maririnig, something like that. Okay? Ayaw maririnig man lang yung pangalan niya. Kasi may mga bumabalik. Something na ganun. Okay? Some of you needs to heal. Okay? Healing. Or pwedeng siya to na darating lang dyan, paparamdam, para lang galitin ka or what. Or, yeah. Para makakuha ng emosyon. Kung ano man meron. Like that. Okay. So, Seven of Pentacles in reversed. A waste of time kung iyong or a waste of energy rin, no? Kung iyong bibigyan ng atensyon, yung mga ganong bagay. Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Strength, yeah. Okay, may mga bagay, may mga sitwasyon na hindi mo kailangan bigyang pansin. Okay, there's a lot of drama. Magbibigay lang kasi, magsabihin nating magpapababa lang, no, ng iyong energy, ng iyong frequency. Okay, so hanggat maaari block ninyo yung mga ganon. Some of you, this is like energy vampires, no, na sabihin natin kakapit lamang sa iyo para ma-drain ka or para i-drain ka. Okay, whether they know it or hindi, mga ganyan. They are aware or hindi. Okay? Ramdam mo naman yun. May mga tao nalalapit lang sa'yo and then feeling mo parang nakakalata, nakakapagod naman tong taong to. Parang ganun. Okay? So, hanggat maaari, yung energy ninyo is protektahan. Okay? What's this Seven of Pentacles in reverse? At the World in reverse, yeah. May pinost ako one time, no? It's like distraction equals delay. Okay? There's this energy na ganon. Distraction equals delay. So, kapag nagpa-distract ka, ano mangyari? Diba? Maguguluhan ka. Kung ano man ang mga ginagawa mo, if ever may mga ginagawa ka, tapos naguluhan ka, there's delay. Okay? Yeah, simple lang na ganong message ito. Avoid procrastination, avoid delays if ever. Okay? What else for water signs? The Queen of Cups. Okay. What's that? The Nine of Wands. This is setting up healthy boundaries. Yeah, from a player. From, sabihin natin, walang wentang energy. Okay. This is saying no. Yeah. Water signs. This is saying no. Protect your heart. Ayun ang sinasabi rin dito. Okay? Yung Race of Swords in reverse. This is saying no. Okay? Some of you, ikaw itong parang mas uunahin mo muna yung sarili mo, or andoon yung energy ng self-love. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, the Seven of Swords. There's this a lot of trauma. Okay? Somebody is guarded here. Some of you, there's this person na gusto ka. Okay? Pero they're trying to hide their true feelings, their true intentions. Yeah, the Emperor in reverse. Andun yung parang nahihiya or natakot or walang plano. Or hindi ganun ka solid yung intention or emosyon ng taong to, maybe, or maybe hindi lang sila ganun ka-ready if ever. Okay, pero they love you. Yeah, may ganung energy itong person na to. Tinatago nila. Yeah, tinatago nila. Okay. See, the King of Cups behind the Emperor in reversed. There's this King of Cups. They have emotion. Anyway, so yun ang aking nakikita for you, water signs. Okay. So, next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay. So, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, Earth signs. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Mensahe, gabay, prediction, energy check-ins. Let's see. Earth signs. Okay. The Empress in reversed. What's that? Okay. The Knight of Pentacles in reversed. Some of you hindi na, sabihin natin, yung iba sa inyo nakakaramdam na ng pagkasawa, no? Pagdating sa workplace, pagdating sa mga, sabihin natin kung ano ginagawa ninyo para magkapera, no? Parang ganyan. Parang may pananawa, no? Yung iba sa inyo may chance na magpalit ng career, mag-iba ng pinagtatrabahuhan, like that. Parang ganyan. Yung iba sa inyo, darating sa puntong magpa-file ng vacation leave, kung okay? Kung kailangan nyo. Yeah, decision. I don't know. May chance kasi na pwedeng hindi kasi basta-basta na pwedeng mag-file ng leave or what. Okay? Some of you, may chance na gagastusan ng sarili. Yeah. Okay? Again, death. Yeah. This is changes. Yung iba sa inyo po, ha? May chance rin dito ng progress, growth, okay? Pagdating sa status, pagdating sa looks, pagdating sa kaperahan. All in all, okay, Ace of Swords is here. Ooh, the Nine of Pentacles. This is promotion for some of you. This is money. Okay? This is visa. Okay? Yeah, energy ng visa. Energy ng abundance. Okay? Abundance, prosperity. Yeah, ito yun. Okay? So, yeah, there's this a lot of changes na pwedeng mangyari sa lahat ng aspeto. Okay? So, what else for your earth signs? Temperance in reversed. The King of Cups in reverse. Somebody's getting impatient. Yeah, this person is like hiding their true feelings for you. They're hiding that they love you. Okay, they're being impatient. Some of you, this is like Virgo, Pisces, Sagittarius. They want to see you. They want to see you. Yeah, see, the Knight of Cups. This person likes you. Younger, maybe. They're being impatient. They want to see you. I don't know kung bakit hindi sila gumagawa ng action towards you. Right? Yeah. Some of you, there's this, a person na pwedeng loner. Okay? Na hindi kayang magpahayag ng totoong emosyon. Some of them, they're like an introvert. Okay? Yeah. Queen of Wands. Yeah, this person likes you. Okay? Nahihiya tong taong to. Pero, hindi niya alam kung paano action. Ang dami namang ganyang energy. Yeah, they're afraid. They're afraid. The Nine of Swords. The Knight of Wands in reverse. They're afraid. To approach you maybe. To message you. Parang ganyan. What else? Earth signs, the Knight of Swords in reverse. There's this energy of inconsistency. Okay? Ano tong meron dito? The Moon in reverse. The Ace of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles. Yan, yun mga gusto nyo diba? Earth signs, yung Ace of Pentacles. Some of you, there's this huge money. Akong nakikita, galing sa workplace. I don't know if this is talking about increase. Okay? Something na pwedeng may ma-approve pagdating sa sa pera. Okay? In general. Sa pera, may mga makukuha. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, ano kaya ito? The Moon in reverse. Somebody is sad. Okay, feeling sad. Maybe a water sign, Pisces, and an air sign. Kung meron kang hindi nakakausap dito, like consistent, they're sad. Okay? The Three of Wands in reversed. Feeling nila parang tinatalikuran mo sila or hinahayaan mo na sila. Ganun ang feeling nila. Okay? They need you. They need you. This person needs you. Okay? Kung ano-ano na naiisip nito, earth sign. Kung ano-ano na. Andun na yung pagsaselos nito. Nandun yung parang delulu na. Delulu? Okay. Yeah, ang dami nilang ang tawag dyan, pag-overthink. Making fake scenarios like that. So, nandun yung parang tamang hinala, mga ganyan. Okay? Feeling nila, tinatalikuran mo sila, wala ka ng time for them. They're sad. Yeah, see? Feeling nila, binabackstab mo sila. Okay? Feeling nila, pinagtataguan mo sila. See, the Devil. In reverse. Parang tinatalikuran mo, lalo ka na Capricorn. Okay? May, some of you, this is specific. Capricorn. Okay? Sinabi ko Capricorn. So, meron ditong energy na pwedeng akala nila parang wala ka ng time for them. They're sad. They are sad. Okay? Pero hindi lang nila pinapahalata yun. Yeah. Anyway. So, yeah, yun lang akin nakikita for you. All signs, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.